I've heard people say, oh, it's struggling to pull me up the hill. It won't pull me up the hill. Well, if you're in Paris this one and you're struggling to get up a hill, just stick it in two. Drop your gears down, stick it in Paris this two, and it'll pull you straight up. I'll try and show that here. I'm in Paris this one at the moment. I'm starting to come to a decent climb. I'm down into first gear. And yeah, I've slowed down. I'm having to use a lot of effort. I'll put it into two. And that effort has gone away. You know, I'm still in first gear. So I'm putting some effort in. But not as much as if I was in Paris this one. I mean, I could go up to 3 really, but it's a bit erratic on stony tracks. Well, that's a pretty good view, isn't it? Don't know if it shows on the camera, but there's the Wrekin in the distance. Could do with going there one day, taking a ride around that area. One thing somebody did ask me, or a couple of people asked me actually, how do we go about getting spare parts for the Engwe? Now, I haven't needed any, so I have no real experience about obtaining it. But when I bought my bike, and I bought it from AliExpress, I did ask the seller pretty much this question, and they sort of assured me that anything I needed I could obtain through them, but I haven't needed to use that, so I can't really say if they would honour that statement. But I know there are one or two people who have had issues. Hopefully I'll keep going strong yet, but we'll see. But I can't really help much on that. Like I say, I haven't needed to replace anything. But should I would get in touch with the seller that I used and see if they could help me at all. Okay, this is a narrow bridleway. Oh, nettles on my legs. So yeah, this will test out the sandstorm tyres a little bit. Oh, you don't want short trousers on going through these. What with the brambles and the nettles. Filling power is this one. Pulling me through. I'm going to be covered in scratches. Definitely got nettle stings, I can feel them tingling. Where's the old dock leaf when you need it? But there's no need to go super fast. It's not a mountain bike, is it, I'm riding? You know, I'm not in any rush to get to wherever it is I'm going. I'm just getting the assistance I need to get there. I might need to go in power assist to this hill. bit muddy here. We're through. Fighting it. Fighting it. Yeah, made it. I've got the damage to myself in a minute. I get to the end. Right, here we have the infamous Beech caves. Many a party been had in here over the years. We tell some stories, this place could. It was used as a munitions store during the war, I believe. The man-made cave cut into the sandstone. I think they were to build a hall or something, or a house. The sandstone was cut out to build the house, and then it was taken over during the war as a munitions dump. And since then it's been used for parties throughout the decades. Yeah, Beech caves, eh? Silence on the road with the sandstorm tyres. The old nobblies, they'd be roaring away by now. 30 mile an hour, that is. Just realised. Gotta slow down. Well, it's been a pleasant day. How far have I done? Let me have a look. I've done just over 10 mile. Most of that has been off-road down the tracks. So, pretty reasonable really. Voltage, what's that setting at? 49 volts. 49 volts. So I haven't used much, have I really? Oh, tractor equipment. You don't want to be running into that. Anyway, I'll do a few more miles and head back to the car. Hope you've enjoyed the ride out with me on this glorious day. Hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, thanks for watching.